In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to work your ankle dorsiflexion passively in a standing position. The beauty of this variation is you don't need any equipment whatsoever, but you do need a wall in front of you. So the wall is going to be used for balance, and we're going to be focusing just on your ankle dorsiflexion as opposed to balance when doing this. So what I want you to do is I want you to face forwards towards the wall. Both of your feet are going to be facing forwards. So both my feet are in a position where they're like train tracks, they're directly forwards, and my hands come on the wall. From this position, the front leg, so in this case my right leg, is going to be the side that I'm working my ankle dorsiflexion on. My left leg is not. My right leg is going to bend at the knee. My left leg has a very slight bend in it, however, it's not going to bend when I come into the movement. Let me show you. So, the right leg and right knee is going to bend and come back. And that would be one repetition. My right leg is going to bend, my ankle comes into dorsiflexion, and it comes out. Now I want you to look at my left leg, my back leg as I do this. As I'm bringing my right leg forwards and my knees coming closer to the wall, it doesn't have to touch, we're just using that as a prop or a guide. If you come too close to the wall, you won't have enough room for dorsiflexion. However, let's look at the back leg. You should notice on the camera I've got a very slight bend. So there's a very, what we'd call a soft knee. From here, I'm in a position where I keep that soft knee throughout the whole movement. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions and do exactly the same on both sides.